Obi otontos eco bank sisi ebe man boss. But bizanza wa we senior executive producer eco bank ayen few because adwuma ni vision. They were all in the ring. But honestly the level Lilwin have reached Kwaku Manu have not reached there. We can never take it out. Or what eyadoma chede dia movie. I respect both of them. No oye adwuma but he can't favor. Kwaku is my PA. Oye me PA train. Me na
okay, say Jones there.
Yeah, me na ma Kwaku be ye artist in movie. Na odi akiri otwa 1 or 2 scenes. Oye PA and was serve me under me as a production manager. Me na me catch me director Jones Adjuman say baby Kwaku Manu odru no. Say I am pushing him from crew. Me man me ye artist. Me na me di can try next first payment. Me na me try na 100 cedis.
Okay.
And I said no, then I will turn myself to be executive producer and become my own director. Right. So I started my first movie, Majenkwa.
Okay.
With
characters, right?
Lilwin,
okay.
Emilia Brobe, Nana Hayford,
okay.
Pakwesi, and other stuff. So when I did that first movie,
was Lilwin on top that time?
Yeah, after I know why it's Azonto Ghost, okay, Nana, ni heat, no, Urban. We did it, and time where the bar market, no, the fry. The one I'm seeing no mesa second set, and I'm saying a second movie that was Nipa Ninkai.
Okay.
With Lilwin, Vivian Lawrence, Bella Samoa, Fanny Freya Kamenkon, and other stuff. So Nipa Ninkai and a buyer.
Okay. And
a Ghana for any other police will say, there's a certain boy coming. Let's try him. And afterward, I came in this some 23 for John Mensah, and it was boom.
John Mensah no Tanoso.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tracing,
yeah.
But on record, me na ma John Mensah be producer. So when you see the music de Bobra, I made him who he is. Apart from so many other businesses here, but since in music career, me money for me. From some 23, I started a year, so 2013-14, I was in Kumawood and see there's a certain legend who want to enter into a filming industry now. Okay. That was Daddy Lumba.
Okay.
Till the way money at that team, someone in it say they were talking about directors and everything. Thank God, me Dean and a PA. As at that time, I know I born in me coming home and Nipa.
Okay.
And we did the movie on with that song and Kasad. The title me coming home and Nipa. No, I've worked with so many. My name director Wagana ha mean several under him as a production assistant.
Okay.
My name.
Okay. Director OT and I'm going to educate and come up Poleeno Multimedia. And I'm catch you said the ribbon said bra. Now Oma when you fair or your bar and I saw your bear and that's one warrior. Pay wig papa and the toma or yere what's it and our girlfriend me bomb girl on cow. She me bomb girl on cow.
Let me check this one in there. 2012-13 industry no be industry ni be industry ni breaki.
All right. Me ba ho director. Me ba ho kakra bi try ho ye man ko fo akoto adepa. What? Okay, into the everyone said brand from 0546925622 0546925622 from na so person wedding decoration and as a party decoration from no mo meyema and come on nothing there the we need any born beginning no aba what you say no who director OTS. I'm right back with director OT afina ye be din come on and come on nothing there be there director a year ben and a juman be gina on now say this will be as a director OT director maybe have a Fabia director OT
2000 and when me start here now the heat flows. Okay. Me start with the heat and I say heat and I'm there because I always tell myself say I'm a moving train.
Okay.
Mini bus stop. The only way that you can see my train stops is when my fuel is finished. Into me moving train no. Se me ba na pese ofu bia uhuru bo ho.
Okay.
Into uhuru na nyankopon ya don otimi be hye ma wahim. Otofom so adade no efo awoso. Okay. And now room no anya seat a wujim so be anya careful no sorry otimi etna. So I started with the heat and the heat is still moving on.
Okay. Enti tama heat no e kita no. Enyoma ben na atim ka say okay me kita heat no. Asumasi na so benten. Me na me de ne buy.
I've met a whole lot of people. So when this footballer, Jerry Kamenkon, Nishini sister Fanny Freya Kamenkon, I made the world recognized her when it's come to movie.
Okay.
And I mean every top artist be is happy to work with me. He feel blessed.
Okay.
Because I'm the years in the response of Munyano give them positive.
Okay.
Me new producer be so mama ne more kada on record.
Okay.
And I'm afraid artist be so enpu ni kalabule da.
Okay, how name de no.
Say be am 1,000. Na waba.
No waba.
Me say me co producer no po no 1,000 but me more 800 no.
E bien sida.
E bien sida.
Ba me tete se sana na we. O mo se wo giska na. Me na data na me tinsam. Na me yon say small boy ba bia no me tinsam. Yesi oti giska na e bia say nana samoa em papa bela samoa. E bia say wo se o ma ne be 2000. Na e bia o ma ne be 1000 say adwuma we no. Yesi mo directors na mu ki mo kwaji obi adwuma a ofra artist na Vivian pacha o metwa bi ma me na we me ankasa madwuma o na wa giska na e bia wa ma na e bia say Vivian jiwe tofu na efa.
Me on record, as people used to say, Kumawood films. Oko Kumasi are on record when they are talking about expensive director, AOT. The 7 I'm in Kwasi for Juma.
Okay.
Me, as at that time, na crew, cameraman, maybe I was just 600. Let me try my cameraman, 800. Bafo was my cameraman. He can testify. Bila Samoa Vivian Gel, Lilwin, me, and I'm a rising musika. They can all testify. Lilwin budget 5,000. It started from my camp. Me and I'm jump programs. I'm 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 8,000. Because I value the work that I do and I know the result. And to me, my own for being free. I don't do cheap job.
Until someone na meditating in a cry.
On record, until I'm about doing what your platform is not a small platform.
Yeah.
We can call Vivian and testify. We can call Bishop, the late Bishop Nyakun Otiasianka, he can testify. My name is Mitri Artistica. It take you 2-3 weeks and send a cassette. Into a mobile set, I know most because of this kind.
I for and come on add there and see me battery and I say me light a doom, but me say nah and come on semitra because I postponing it twice. And yes, I say postponing be man. I heard interview na feel ne woman be film. Timpese still na me director etwetwe nkomo nti mompa ne se munya transition bi na se light no etiko forma director o say obia betimi testify say ona
anybody can testify even from that you be catch you say ot is hash ot wokoko and the reason tell mokoko ne say ya je Poleeno sika se yekoye adwuma ma no o ka so be 1,000 ye the amount ka so be 2,000 ye the amount intenye ho na be eye service job oba let's do the job and go
but only obinya encounter e be artist or doing say ot scout the man and nation I was set no so
me anya be that because before I will call you for a job I ask you what you take what comes matter my memo producer na money say be a producer na cassette so I call you say no say into the enya be again that's what I give you.
Yes, I want to do no.
Me be crada, and I mean you so that.
What me born artist in pressure. My born my producer.
Me the only director said they now omoye lie.
But only say some na make
oh, it happens. There were so many directors sometimes grana a freebie any omo kasa. Okay. I was having a brother, a friend director whom I don't want to mention his name on the platform, but you will know him. He's young as me. He has done a whole lot of job. Now, any attitude. Okay. And near kasa. Now people do it. Ebi crack that hotel I want to ya. Ebi ju ebi quick mentor on ya. But one day in life, no, you can't be a TT will be a. I was trained from a good background from Raka Farms, Johnson Subetiti. And they made me understand, say, a Commodore influence me any day. So that thing has been at the back of my mind till now. Me de enante. I've worked for AA, Wazinga. As at that time, I was very young boy, but I'm a year production location manager for that time.
Project.
Ghana, when we're talking about best 3 location manager, you can never take OT out. When we're talking about best 3 soundmen, you can never take OT out. As at now, when you Google right now looking at the best 5 top directors in Ghana, you can never take OT out. Oh. I'm the top 5. Among the 10, I am the top 5. Into my pedigree and my image is very important to me, Daniska.
Okay. But artists ben now only share or set so when you challenge can say pa. Back and forth. I've
never got a challenge.
How can say we free settings?
I've never got a challenge with anybody.
Artists be anye na say we be free set.
Okwa
but e be sida.
Artists
yes say we free set.
One
or 2 issues.
okwa omuba no the omo tete me nti omu nim who that boy is.
Okay.
Okwa meto amade so.
Okay.
I am the master planner. Nti me twa sini a me twa me important things.
Okay. Nti okwa
akọ ena bi kura nsida ena me ni artist bi a me ye adwuma me frɛ ni bi wo de ahomkeka ne opepaba. About 99% of Kumasi based artists wish to work with OT.
Okay.
Omun opportunity by myself, so they say that they are blessed. Because at the end of the end product ne beba no e be san pagya no.
Okay, nti o said bi so I be as artist we dey em say na waka say obo ama ebi mo bo ne yetum ye wan say Lilwin mo ne enkofo e ka ho no. Eduru time bi a wo hia san enkofo no na offer mo mo ma.
None of Kumasi based artists pia wadani nachi. Achiremeda. When I call, the kind of respect I'm there from, to also take the same respect to. Under my invitation. Okay. Unless say, or better than in a chairman, unless say na our issues be critical, but I know a explainable yet huasi.
Okay. And see, the way I will see, can I say, we know be any more industry?
No, once a juma there, your issues room. But the issues now trying my personal, you don't take it.
Yeah.
After job, you bash it off. Obiya koni baby. We look at what next.
Project be pan we out teams a project where they me discover and pan so many scan.
If we need free. I did some police.
Okay.
With Lilwin, Bishop and Nyako, Vivian J. Lawrence. If Ghanaians can testify and who have watched that story, I live in a son asa na ubuto madaho.
Okay. No one is what
to wine. It made me who I am. That movie. And then I made quite the next movie, which is a free. Now that's at that time. Now my target characters was Clem, Nigerian artist.
Okay.
And this lady, this Nigerian black tall lady. I'm forgetting the name of it. Wow. Black girl, lady, black tall. Oh. Mercy Johnson.
Okay, Mercy Johnson.
So if anybody who have watched a final Lilwin, me and say Mexican.
Okay.
No issue ponko.
Okay.
And Anna, no for any Ejako.
Okay.
Tinanka Ejako role no was Clem.
Okay.
And Ejako wife was Fanny Fair coming come. Tinanka Fanny Fair role also was for
Mercy Johnson.
For Mercy Johnson, because I believe there's a saying that culture is dynamism.
Okay.
You blend it. Tell me person media also ever because at time peace and love. Ede Mr. Ibu money at the other. So now I wanted to also testify the market. But there were so many cocos and other stuff. Some month so if you have phone, you should have phone now.
And so what tries all Richard on Mercy Johnson?
With my team, I have a team that I work with. Okay. And to me, to team name, but the team rejected them. Okay. Now I have to go back to our local artists. And I'm used to me. Used to Ejako, Lilwin, Achille and other style of people. Okay. But that movie, me invested almost as at that time, around 2014-15. We invested almost about 90,000 plus.
Almost 100,000, like 1 billion.
1 billion in the movie. Because when dressing Ponkwan we used to, I made it a classic movie, but I did a so be trusting near the catch yourself and Anto. Who see dinner now work.
Nti ano na Lilwin dey twa movie team ga say me yes ni me twa copies 20,000 me kwaje returns am 25,000.
That movie it was terrible, but I'm affecting me baby because I'm not a businessman. Okay. I'm a filmmaker. Okay. Nti na I was happy say Ghanaians hwe ya almost say efe. But apart from that, producer be anywhere within the Juma Premier, my yamana. What time baby so aboka. At least when you are planning any secret, you will be about 40% of profit.
Okay. And the Obenya? 40%
of his profit Obenya.
Wow. Nese sini skawu. Nas skawu.
Sikawu sini nguyo. But just you need leaders. You need leaders.
I say Director James Abuajimo secret me now.
They are no leaders.
Why?
They are not leaders because they are not doing what leaders are supposed to do.
Why?
They are not. I can't tell you say, once a more system match, you leader. On what chamber be a mobefa.
Okay.
And so we leader and someone far right, not far left, that is only leader.
Okay.
So omoye leaders and time and technology as 2012 no and an uncle is in this.
Okay.
Because
global.
Yes, because there was a year time you need marketers.
Okay.
Ghana here you don't have marketers. They are all business people.
Kantamanto KGT.
When you say you be store no akwaji. Otua store ka tua light car. You can marketer who is a marketer. Nanka producer nanka otwa sini wi a ono na ko TV station ko tua advertable. Ono na tally poster.
Ana we poster.
Ayo bibi and so who is a on what was a store and a wuni bi. And what you go no ton no say so the brand 1 CD or ton on only 20 pesos. It's not a marketer. Okay. If you want to I didn't know almost more could anti-parasites at no moment because there was no leaders, there was no vision for them to do it for us. 16 regions. Yeah, what you mean at craft store? You miss a 5 pack say 16 regions in the Ghana. There was no more offices.
Okay.
So what job are they doing? Anti-piracy and Tanaka Musi Kochichi.
Okay.
Your office Accra, it will be what Accra, it will be what Tamala. There are people working there. Okay. They will supervise all these things. You mean say you mudu was saying a Ghanaian movie was saying that me attract ya borders. Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, other stuff. So who is thinking ahead? Let me say I can't think for who is thinking ahead for us.
You movie say
within your network system and a YouTube near the other. As at now, Anchor TV station be pay Ghanaian movie a year. He shouldn't pay less than 200,000 for a movie.
But it's only 200 cities.
It's a shame. Not 200 cities answer to me highlight. For Lilwin, what for hotel bills, welfare. Now do senior comma TV. 200 cities in the crown. What's our patch? So you call them a producers. You call them marketers. You call them leaders. Who is putting the structure? Anka sini we release in Monday. Anka we leaders are. Anka by Friday, the movie is supposed to cut across all the 16 regions with all the shows. Obi oton tools, Eco Banks is here be money boss here. Okay. But because why we senior executive producer, Eco Bank are few because I do money innovation. Anka you can't do my plans for sika woman can we drug dealers through our case. Anka it's a show-based fraternity itself. Let's look at our brothers and sisters in Nigeria, our sister country. Look at how much they have developed their system. What is happening to Ghana? So Ghana, see, I'm not careful within the next 4 years. We can never hear our name in the international market since showbiz and filming is concerned. Santo be an era koi, Mami Dokumo be your era, David Donton be your era, Ajakuma be your era. Lilwin came on top since 2012 till now. Because I want to why now we are Ghana team are producing it.
After Lilwin.
After Lilwin. You mean who has been the next top comedian? Who has been the next top comedian? After Santo, there was Ajako. After Ajako, there was Lilwin. No, after Lilwin,
there was Kwaku Manu.
Kwaku Manu, they were all in the ring. Okay. But honestly, the level Lilwin have reached, Kwaku Manu have not reached there.
How?
You can never take it out. Or what? I respect both of them.
Na say Juma Kwaku Manu so boy there.
No, Juma. But you can't favor. Juma.
When you Kwaku Manu was him?
Kwaku is my PA.
What you saying that?
Me PA training.
Okay, say Jones there.
Yeah, me na Kwaku be a artist in movie. Na odiachi otwa 1 or 2 scenes. PA and was serve me under me as a production manager. Me na me catch me director Jones Adjuman say baby Kwaku Manu odru no. Say I am pushing him from crew. Near man me artist. Me na me di can try first payment. Me na me try 100 cedis. That movie was 686. You shooting Oboase Edema Pekus production. I respect him a lot. He's my pure brother. You're damn pie, but realities are realities.
All right, I just don't want to go too much into this because based on issues, I'm going to attack him and Poleeno there saying.
Oh yeah, education. Education and as my make not being biased. A young who I say many microphone and but I don't much any go.
During your peak, say as director Otina or be say me the Majuma bread director Otia and who used to Kwaku Manu go Juma.
I remember I used Kwaku once in my movie. That me produce here. Yes, that movie. Not twice. Socrates, you know.
They now say
Greedy Bastards. No, yeah. That later, yeah, but yeah, title no so and so.
Okay.
I used to end up me movie, and so me because at that time person me bought 3 top comedians. Okay. To me, Lilwin, Kwaku Manu, and Matsada. Sorry.
Okay. Me nti Tamana Kwaku Manu came before Lilwin.
Yeah.
Nti Tamana
they all started, but not Obia one angle no one.
No, direct and Kwaku Manu.
Not Obia when it come.
Raise my Ghana for him say.
Onya peak na eja Kwajo, but no munyina was in the industry. Satam na Kwajo was like a PA boy, no Didi Jackson mochi. And na Kwaku was a PA boy, na Odidi Jones. Any other stuff. So they all came together. But Kwaku Manu nya lamplight no. But Lilwin buy no. Oh no so buy no. He also over prestige. Yeah, obenya the attention of the people. No.
Okay. Not me they can't we say. Na yes mafia game e will game him to the stand say ebia obia drew top na ebia director wa frɛ no o say major 1000 o say 1000 means I mean the me frɛ asumasi go be 500 nti e na e wo ne e be kill o career na ye use asumasi na ekoso
such a director no nim de wo ye na onim de wo ye
ba onim se na ekoso.
It happens in other camps but not in Siwomi camp. Me when I need you for a reason, I need you for a purpose. Your service need to be rendered. Until the other come is negotiation. But me case we see was minimum tina me babe foul. So I come with the cost. And I mean na me hear me movie, I hear me movie. I give role to characters whom they deserved. Okay. Na me nyesi say I'm doing for favoritism. Because I do me mesua as a coach. If I don't train my team well, I be pam my prayers in Ebeka. So I always think about my job first and myself before I look up to you.
Okay. But more planning as directors are more sinking artists a career.
I didn't do that.
Bango for you.
Not a warm hole. My directors meeting crowd on point at a point me jaiko. Because now the vision outline was not helping. And as anke directors need to and Kajuman wouldn't have done like this. And most of the directors no any training. Okay. Most of our directors no any will be any nasi ensuya. They will just join set 1, 2, 3. Umunya take cutting action. No, they take it like another directing. But interpretation of script is very important. How to understand your story. Doing a script is like feeding your baby. Okay. So when we do what the man will be a problem. Until no could almost about 60% and I made you man. Yes, about those that they got training like the likes of Saribidi Akon, John Sajmai, TP Clan, other directors. Okay. Many okay TP Clan there. And China many TP Clan could be in common. I force on her what Poleeno Multimedia bit me here. And I'll say Penifona Bon. Me heard all the secret example say Penifona no need the vision of how to make filmmaking no into my bon into more youth and I was say you jai juma no eshamonsa. One ne ya adwon was asem. Penifona one is true o mabon. Omo need the vision but omo no me yank net ho. Nti ase. Omo bon na omo mabon. They were able to sustain us for us to come and continue. Yena ya beni mum ye best. Yena ya say adwuma. Menka say yena ya say adwuma because say omo bon still na they are the leaders. Upon an omo bon na all come. I understand him perfectly. Menka so omo but him ya be worse than them. Na say omo bon champion. Ya bon champion for because him say ye era no. Omo time they say na enya kra na wo. Okay. O ma me aduane enye de kra kwa akoto bi. Okay. Na wa also be no ane papa ne. O wi enzi okodi ankyene ni mokonim. So what are you giving to us? Mimi so mo say as of now from 2016 ebe pemone enye nyankopon ado na bibia friend say YouTube eba ye na boys ye short videos go and came in the Ghana film industry no way say she akọ kantamanto ko say stores at first no mo see this go moton na way ko keti na ko hwe where is it? What is the next future line now for the Ghana film industry? Yeah, legend Ejako papa say otahe Poleeno Multimedia party papa said that kese enkomo Ejako de assembly to dwa say industry no tama mo bo pose mo yi na film no emu ho no enti na industry na senke Obi Ajakwa me papa. I was with him from infancy or the bus in the miracle started a yusu no. Kumasi Yonko. I can testify much about Ajakwa, you can testify much about OT.
Okay.
From Kumasi Yonko, Asoreba, Tamanoke can Oyufriji, and that canoe. I was with him when Miracle bought a fresh Nissan car at the chair at Jaku. Obi, like life, also tears, you say, is an error. Na nyepo.
The menka say obi nye hwemanu but o say
and I'm going obi amopo na error. And now let's sit down and talk. Maybe as that I'm question why your budget of obi about 400,000 500,000. You want to do it. You feel like you do a good job. Maybe a one artist or say maybe I may do 10,000. But 10,000 you can there are terms and conditions on it. Maybe I may buy maybe 2 days, may say not feel say untimia. If you're a businessman, wouldn't throw your money away.
So Usun who say we here artists now. Why don't we because Hollywood before artists come on board no almost sign contract with them, producers and as BBC. So why don't you here no maybe a role himself fiti legend. Eja Roy then coming here when he say also 2 days now here ubenya mama ya mesre bia ye na bia 5 mama. Now I sign contract. I didn't know I'm on contract.
Asa, Indian I'm catching the Bible says lack of knowledge, my people perish. Lack of education. Because any crossing Kumasi artist is through contract. What the contract got was here to me man I'm sign Oma. Or because any forward Juma.
Is it because no credit ni mwinti
and no credit because Omo before a human as executive producers in production managers don't know how interpret script.
Okay.
So they don't know anything about filming shooting. Or more than you new man say you see a cool location. You see a big weird say.
Okay.
That's why a producer obey me I'm a script could trust in man, but occas on interpret script now what the amount won't interpret it.
Okay. A producer.
A producer. The difference between executive producer is a businessman.
Because I know say
and a producer
get a script, deduce and then know say
a producer is an intermediate between the production and then the executive producer. But there was some mafia because those who themselves are known from themselves as a producers no can never even interpret a script.
So
into any terms and conditions are any artist here then a deal.